Hi everyone, welcome to See and Learn. Today we will see how to use Turbo C in Android mobile phone. We can write C and C++ programs in Turbo C. So let us start. First of all, we have to download one application called Turbo C Droid. So open Play Store and download Turbo C Droid. So this is the application. As I have already downloaded the application, we can see the open button. So I will click on open and it will open the Turbo C Droid application. Now you can see the interface to write the program. It is having options: file, edit, search, run, compile, debug, project, options, window and help. And in downward direction you can see open, compile, run and keyboard options. First of all, we will create new file. We will write one program for printing hello world. So now I'm going to write the program. First of all, click on file, click on new. It will open one file with no name.cpp, and here you can write the program. So here is the keyboard. I'm going to write the program. First of all, include header files stdio.h and conio.h include conio.h, then main function, just use the printer to print the hello world. That's it, and program is finished. Now we have to save the program. So again, click on the file menu, click on save and save the file. Suppose this file is first.c. Click on OK. You can see the name of the file first.c. So here you can see compile and run. So first of all, compile the program, 0 errors, and run the program. You can see output hello world here. So this is the way to use Turbo C in Android mobile phone. So I think you understand how to write the program using Turbo C in mobile. Hope you would like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next video. Until then, don't waste the time. Use Turbo C Android. Write the program anywhere, anytime.